Stampers. This is Kristina Reese with Creating with Kristina, and I just wanted to jump on real quick and share with you a new technique that I have been having so much fun with, and it's using a sponge brayer. And what I'm going to do to show you how to use it is I have three different colors here. I have the Melon Mambo, Flirty Flamingo, and Mango Melody. Kind of creating a rainbow there of those three colors. Really easy technique. So you'll need 3 sponges on from your brayer, and the way we sell them in the shop, you get a handle and 4 sponges. So we're just going to be using 3 today. We're going to start off with my lightest color, the Mango Melody, or the yellow. And very quickly, let me switch out my brushes here. Okay, and you just simply take your brayer and swipe, and up and swipe, and up and swipe, and up and swipe, and just keep getting a lot of ink on there. Okay, and just kind of press it in there, and then just simply run your brayer, and you don't want to press down too hard, just hard enough to get some color. And as you keep rolling back and forth, it'll get darker and darker. And every time you lift up, you'll press your sponge down in a different spot. So, and if you press harder, whoops, too hard, you'll get that streak there. My paper's moving all around. No biggie. All right, and if you want some more color, just get some more ink. Oh, I do wish this would quit sliding. Okay, there we go. And as I go up, it'll be kind of light yellow there, but I'm going to go back over that with the next color, with my Flirty Flamingo here. So let me move that over and get my Flirty Flamingo. And another sponge. Now these sponges, like this one has some purple on it, but I've rubbed it off really well, hopefully. If not, well, we'll have some fun color in there. The color washes off very easily in the sink, but I didn't want wet sponges because I wanted to show you guys how I did this. There we go. And so I'm kind of overlapping some yellow and Flirty Flamingo there to get a little different look. Move that over. And the stripes that I'm getting give the effect. So now if I wanted to be blended, I'd use a circular sponge and do that, but this is a rolling blend. All right, and I can go back over that with some more of the Mango Melody in a little bit. Let me get the Melon Mambo on here now. Okay, so this is just some, I'm going to turn the card over, it'll be easier. There we go. And just a light touch. The harder you push down, the more ink you'll get. So, and you just keep rubbing and rubbing. And can you see that pretty rainbow effect that's happening? Like I said, you may want to press pretty hard at the bottom and get a real good dark there. All right, I'm going to switch back to the yellow and get some more of this Mango Melody over here. Flip my card back over because I'm not left-handed. There we go. And let's get some dark yellow in there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, and then if you want to put just a little bit more of the Flirty Flamingo in there, make sure I've got the right sponges going here. Yeah. Whoops. Back on there. And here is the there. All right, what do you think? Cool, huh? That's all there is to it. Ta-da, we're done. Now I want to show you some cards that I have made with this brayer effect. For this style here, I made this beautiful card. That stamp set is brand new in our mini catalog. All right, so this is the Positive Thoughts Cling stamp set, and it is in our mini catalog. Also, we have coordinating dies. They're not in the catalog, but they are on the website that we now sell. So you can cut out this butterfly, but there's also a second die that goes with it. Here we go. And so you can now order the coordinating dies that go with this. But anyways, back to the card really quick. Let me show you what I did here. So if I can find my camera, everything's backwards. There we go. And you can see the Brayer effect. I used black ink to create a silhouette of my stamps. Then I just put my sentiment, cut those out, and I'll tip that so you can see. I raised that up on dimensionals and a little ribbon, and that's all there was to it. Very simple card. All right, well now this card, I did not use a rainbow effect. This card, I had fun just using 3 different colors altogether. So down here is my Merlot, grape, gorgeous grape, and granny apple green. So that made a really pretty card. All right, can you see that? And also one more thing, I did white, let me pull that up. I did white embossing first and then did the Brayer on top of it. And after I finished using the sponge Brayer, then I took a cloth and I wiped the ink off of where the white embossing is. And then finally, here's one more. This is just using one color, but starting at the bottom dark and going to the top light. And let me show you. So it's dark and then it goes light. And so that's a third way you can do the sponge Brayer. I hope you guys enjoyed this new technique, and go out to the shop, get yourself some sponge Brayers, and start making some really cool backgrounds. All right, love you guys, and talk at you next week. Okay, bye-bye.